Is your old home in need of a major transformation? Renovating an old home is not just about giving it a fresh look. It's about turning it into your dream space. There's something incredibly rewarding about restoring and reclaiming the gorgeous features and characteristics of an old home. Hi, I'm Bobby Moore, and I love working on old or historic homes. These homes are some of my absolute favorites because they have so much history and character. I love the challenge of breathing new life into these spaces while preserving their unique charm. Whether it's original woodwork, vintage moldings, or timeless fireplaces, bringing these elements back to their former glory is a joy like no other. So, if you're looking to transform your old home into something truly special, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some amazing renovation ideas that will inspire you to create the home of your dreams. Old homes often come with their own set of challenges. Outdated designs can make the home look old-fashioned and less functional for modern living. Deteriorating structures such as weakened foundations, old roofing, or worn-out flooring may need urgent attention to ensure that the home is safe and livable. Other common problems include inefficient layouts that don't flow well or meet the needs of today's families, as well as outdated electrical and plumbing systems that could pose safety hazards or lead to costly repairs. However, renovation and remodeling the home offers a fantastic opportunity to solve these issues and increase your home's value. By renovating, you can keep the style and characteristics of your old home while incorporating modern amenities to enhance your lifestyle. There's immense emotional satisfaction in preserving the history of your home while making it functional and beautiful for contemporary living. Plus, by becoming your own general contractor, you can save thousands on the renovation costs. Old homes are perfect for this, and that allows you to save 20 to 30% on your project. This is something that I help clients with every day. Imagine the joy of transforming a deteriorating structure into a dream space that combines the best of both worlds, historical charm and modern convenience at a lower cost. Let's dive into some creative renovation ideas that can completely transform your old home into a great living space. Open concept layout. Removing a few interior walls can create a more open, airy living space and can make your home feel larger and more inviting. It also works better with current lifestyles and families. Just be sure to maintain some of the original features and characteristics to preserve its unique charm. Modernizing kitchens. This is probably the number one item that people do and want to do in old and historic homes. Updating cabinets, countertops, and appliances can bring your home into the 21st century while making it more functional for everyday use. A lot of older homes have smaller kitchens than we currently like, so looking for ways to expand your kitchen to fit your lifestyle can take some creativity. I love working with my clients on creating drop-dead kitchens that don't break the bank, but do give them the looks and styles they are wanting. Sometimes expanding out or going from the kitchen into a dining room that might be adjacent to it and opening that whole area up can give you the space and the square footage that you need to create that dream kitchen. Bathroom upgrades. Adding new fixtures, tiles, and perhaps a freestanding tub can turn an outdated bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Older homes often have fewer bathrooms, so consider combining 2 bedrooms together to create a suite that has a private bath plus expansive closets. Or take a smaller bedroom and create both a bathroom or a laundry area and some closet space for a kid or guest bedroom. Endless options for creating a contemporary living space while retaining the features of older homes. Restoring original features. I'm a firm believer in maintaining original woodwork, moldings, and fireplaces. I think it is crucial for preserving the home's historical charm. And you just can't find that quality and level of detail in contemporary builds. Now, energy efficient improvements. Unfortunately, older homes were not energy efficient, from the windows to lack of insulation in the walls. So installing new windows, insulation, and energy efficient HVAC systems can save you money on utility bills, make your home more comfortable year-round, and increase your property value. It's a win-win for this one. Decreasing expenses. Since you are remodeling, it's a great time to enhance your home's insulation. This will provide dividends every month moving forward. Older homes are not known for being well insulated in the walls or in the attic, just about anywhere. So upgrading your insulation will substantially lower your monthly utility bills. Not a glamorous upgrade, but definitely worthwhile. And now, not only do you have the traditional insulation bats that you can put into your wall, there's also some options and opportunities for blowing in insulation, so you don't have to tear down all your walls if your walls are in good condition. If they're not, tear down the walls, put the insulation in, drywall over. Basement and attic renovations. Converting basements or attics into livable spaces like family rooms or guest suites can add valuable square footage to your home. Many of the old Victorian-style homes have great third-level space that can easily be incorporated into the home. A lot of the older homes, most of the ones I've seen, the lower level may or may not be worth doing, but it depends on which style and what era your house is coming from. Outdoor living spaces. Creating patios or decks provide additional areas for relaxation or entertainment, and it extends your living space outdoors. It does depend on your geographic locale. If you are in very northern climates, this may not be something that's worthwhile for the amount of use that you can get. However, for those that are further south, it could be a good thing to look into. If your home already has a beautiful front porch or rear decks, you can create some additional outdoor living space to enjoy a large part of the year. Smart home technologies. We've all heard about them. They are becoming more and more prevalent. And introducing smart thermostats, lighting, and security systems can bring your old home into the modern age without compromising its character. Really cool stuff coming online and available these days. Definitely worth checking out. Painting and flooring updates. Fresh paint and redoing the old wood flooring can dramatically change a home's appearance. It gives it a fresh and modern look while retaining its classic appeal. These ideas will not only enhance the functionality of your old home, but also ensure it remains a beautiful and cherished space for years to come. Now, let's talk about the renovation idea that can make the most significant difference in the overall look and feel of your home: restoring original features. This approach not only preserves the home's historical charm, but also adds a unique character that most new homes miss. Restoring that old original woodwork, moldings, and fireplaces can be a game changer. These features are often what make old homes so special. Bringing them back to their former glory can transform your space into something extraordinary. Imagine walking into a room with beautifully restored hardwood floors, intricate crown moldings, and a stunning fireplace that serves as a focal point. Remember, turning an old home into a dream home requires thoughtful renovations that balance historical preservation with modern functionality. I hope these renovation ideas have inspired you to start transforming your old home into the dream space you've always wanted. I absolutely love working on old homes and helping homeowners save thousands in their renovation projects. It's incredibly rewarding to see these beautiful spaces come back to life with a blend of old world charm and contemporary convenience. And if you are new to home renovation and remodeling, check below for our course, Modern Home Renovation and Remodel Toolkit, to learn how to effectively and affordably complete your home remodel or renovation. Check for links below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home improvement content, tips, and tricks. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other homeowners who might benefit from these tips. We would really appreciate it. Finally, remember, renovating an old home is not just a project, it's a journey of preserving history while creating a space that truly reflects your style and needs. Happy renovating.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.